Hello people, greetings from wherever you're watching right now. In this video, I will show you how to generate high-quality art and images using Payground AI. I will take you through the different functionalities of the Payground AI platform and how they work. I am Joe, your tech handyman. Remember to subscribe to my channel for more amazing content. If you're ready, let's do this right now.
Okay guys, find your way to playgroundai.com. This is the URL, playgroundai.com. So this is the landing page. You can see what other people have created with this platform. All manner of art, all manner of images, all manner of detailed images. You can see how amazing these creations are on this platform. So if you hover on any of the creations, you see the prompts that were used to create. For instance, this one, an amazing unique pumpkin with a town on it, created by the name and then other prompts on it. Ditto this one, if you hover on it, you can see the name, the title of the creation and the prompts that was used to create. And this is particularly important because you can actually use the same prompts to create something different. So let's click on pure prompt. Once you click on it, you see that all these creations are done using pure prompts, basically. And then if you click on here, you see animal. This is the anime creations. Look at how beautiful they all are. And then you have fashion, you have food, landscape, sci-fi, vehicle, and then my feed up on there. But to start with, you are going to either sign up or sign in if you have an account. So in this case, I have an account, I sign in. So you have the create button. If you click on the drop down, you see create on a board or new canvas file. So in this case, you are going to create on a board. I'll explain this in a jiffy. So once you click on the board, it takes you right here. You can decide to join the Discord by clicking on join now, but I don't want. I'm already there, so I click on that. So on the left pane, you have some settings. Here you have the board, like I said, which is what we are going to do, and then you can toggle it to canvas. Now the next one, you have the filter. This is like the different filters we used to create. You start from the Dream Shaper, the MBBXL, V1.org. You have the Mysterious, you have the NGSC, you have a whole lot. You even have pixel art right here as well. So you select any one that you want to create with. The next one is where you input the prompt. This is where you input the prompt that you want to use, whatever you want to create on there. If you don't know, just input a word and go on. This is what you want to exclude from your creation. In some platforms they call it negative prompt and stuff. This is it. So here you have the image to image. You want to modify your image. So here you upload and here you edit the brush to set the brush size to work with. So this is actually where you use to, once you are done with whatever you're setting here, the generate button will come alive so you can click on it. So on the right hand side, starting from the very beginning, you have the model. Now they are quite a number of models. Here you have 5. The first one is the Playground V1, the stable diffusion, all 3 versions of stable diffusion. So you select the particular one. I prefer using stable diffusion XL, so I leave it at that. Now if you scroll down a bit, you can see the image dimensions. You can set the image 512 by 512. What you do is just toggle around the image size or the image dimension that you want to use. But if your image is up to 1536, you need a pro plan to be able to access or achieve that one. Now if you scroll down a bit, you can see prompt guidance. Now you can drag this button to the right and to the left to decrease and increase accordingly, but it's advisable that you leave it between 7 to 10 so you can have a clear, very clear prompt. Now the next one is quality and details. The higher you toggle this, the longer it will take to generate your images, but the quality will be higher. So that is how it is, but you can actually leave it at 50 because 50 is something that is somewhere within the normal range. So if you scroll down a bit, you can see the sampler, the diffusion sampling method. This doesn't really count at this point, so you can just leave it at default. And right here you have the number of images you want to generate per prompt once you are ready to do just that. So guys, this side is for all that kind of settings. So let's start here. You can actually import image to the canvas to edit, so you can use it as an image editing tool as well. So let's start by imputing, see how we work up from there. So I just have an now fully armed in ancient Greek war attire, ready for war, hyper-real, highly detailed, no blur photographic. I want to, for the filters, I want to use Dream Shaper to create this particular image. So once I scroll down, I think I'm good with all the settings right there. So going to the right now, I'll just drag the prompt guidance to around 10. 10 is good, and then I drag this quality and details to around 50. So I'll leave it like so. I think that's it. Okay, every other setting is okay. I want 4 images and I'm good that way. So I'll just head over to the left side and click on generate at the bottom corner, the bottom space right there. So these are the amazing creations you have. You can see how detailed these images are. You can see how refined they look depending on the prompts I imputed. I particularly like this one right there, you know. So this is what you get when you use Payground AI. So now if you hover over the image, you see actions on top, click on the plus button. From the drop down, there are quite a number of things you can do. You can edit, you can copy link, you can edit in Canvas, you can make it private, you can download, you can use image to image, face restoration, you can even remove the background, and then you can view full screen and delete as well. So you can do quite a number. So if I click here, it opens up the particular image fully for me to be able to visualize what I have created. So here, when you click on here, it takes you to Canvas where you can edit. Here you download. Once you're satisfied, here you can create variations. For instance, if I click on it again, it's like recreating the same thing using another prompt. You can see what is created. Amazing, I have to tell you. Highly detailed, highly clean. You can see, I think I like these latest creations, you know. So you hover in it again, and then you can change the filter to any one of these if you don't want to use that. But I'm using Dream Shaper at this moment. You can play around with the image dimensions. I'm actually using 512 by 768 right here. You can play around with the prompt guidance and see what you get, and even the model. You can actually use different kinds of models to see what you'll be able to create. So once done, you can take it to Canvas to edit it, and then if you go to action again, you can upscale the image from here to refine it even further. This is amazing, I have to tell you guys. So once you are done, just head to the download button and click it so you can have it in your system. So guys, this is Payground AI. Take time to explore it, and thank you for watching today's video. See you in the next.